Government Islamia Graduate College, Civil Lines Lahore, is undoubtedly the largest college in Punjab in terms of its prestige, historical significance, and number of students it entertains every year. Its parallel foundation with DAV College in 1886 resulted in its personal campus at Railway Road in 1914. In 1958, it got its individual status and became fully functional as separate college in 1965. In 1990, Science Block was constructed. Similarly, in 1996, Computer Block building was established. In 1998, Hostel building was completed. In 2007, Postgraduate Block was built. In 2021, it became Government Islamia Graduate College, Civil Lines Lahore. During its long era of services, it produced men of honor in every sector of life, including politics, literature, and sports. For instance, in politics, Mia Manzoor Ahmad Wattu, Mr. Bilal Yassin, Mia Margoob Ahmad were one of the greatest politicians of our country. Charismatic buildings, grassy lawns, and literary corridors are worthwhile features of this historical educational hub. College library is divided into two parts, main and postgraduate, containing more than 90,000 books in them. Poets and writers, including Amjad Islam Amjad, are alumni of this college. The peaceful and spacious library is excellent environment of learning for students and teachers. Annual magazine Farhan and quarterly news bulletin Farhanian is proof of literary culture at the college. 4 computer labs, 2 physics lab, and labs of chemistry, biology, zoology, statistics, and geography exist at the college for hands-on training. In sports, college is not behind by any means and has produced players of international fame. In hockey, Flying Horse Samiullah. In cricket, Sultan of Swing Wasim Akram. The name of fair play Aleem Dar. The hero of Sharjah Akib Javed and the youngster Fahim Ashraf are one of the many alumni of this college. As far as teaching faculty is concerned, nearly 200 teachers are serving at the college, including 72 lecturers, 74 assistant professors, and 36 associate professors. Teachers are highly qualified with 42 PhDs and 74 MPhils and still counting. The non-teaching support staff is not optimal currently, with a shortage in admin, clerical, and campus maintenance staff. In current section, the aggregate number of students of intermediate is more than 6,000, with the result of 69.21%, well above board last year. As per the policy of HED of minimum threshold of students for continuation of BS programs, the college is left with only 5 BS programs, namely BS IT, CS, BBA, BCom, and BS English. For this very reason, the number of students in BS is dropped to 369 in 2025 as compared to 504 the intake in 2024. By keeping in view the current scenario, the infrastructure, and faculty potential of this college, we have prepared a feasibility report to uplift the college and bring it in line with the requirement of the current era. There is instant need of upgradation of the classrooms and adoption of modern teaching methods like multimedia and other audio video aids. Further, we propose BS in Information Technology integrated with AI tools, BS Data Science, BS Statistics integrated with real life application and AI tools, and BS in Modern Sciences with practical applications. As Islamia College is a boys only college, so it has to face a lot of competition from nearby colleges and universities which are offering co-education. So it is proposed to phase wise implement the co-education structure in this college so that competitive learning environment can be created.